Welcome back, it's Anne, and today I'm showing you how to set up free shipping with purchase or include it in other offers like bundles, upsells, and discounts. Alright, let's get started. Create free shipping with purchase. When customers buy specific items, reach a cart value, or add a certain quantity. From your BOGOS dashboard, navigate to All Offers, choose Create Offer, then select Gift Offer, and click Start from Scratch. Now, let's fill in each field. In the Offer Information section, I'll enter my offer name to manage internally, then I add an offer title that customers will see on my store. Make sure it's concise and appealing to catch customers' attention. You can also set a start time and an end time if preferred. Next is the offer main condition. This is where you decide who qualifies for free shipping. BOGOS gives you 5 condition options to choose from. For mine, I'll select cart value condition and set the min value to $100. You can also choose sub-conditions from these available options I'm showing. If you want to learn more about details, I've dropped a tutorial link in the description. But for today's tutorial, I'll skip. Now comes the most important part. Select gifts. Within this, you'll choose shipping discount as the gift type, and make sure the type is set to percentage. The value is 100%. If you prefer to create free shipping as a product that appears in the cart, in order to notify the customer about this promotion, you can tick the Create Free Shipping Product box. Then, rename it to something more appealing for customers. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make your offer live. Now let's see how to include free shipping in other offers, such as bundle, upsell, and discount offers. Before we continue, just a quick note. The setup for including free shipping in these offer types is identical. However, the checkout upsell is only available with the Shopify Plus plan. For this tutorial, I will get started with the volume discount offer. All you need to do is create a volume discount offer from the beginning, like offer name, offer title, and then choose the product. When all done, let's scroll down to the tiers. If you need more details on creating volume discount offers, there's a step-by-step tutorial linked in the description. Next, fill in the required information for each tier. To add free shipping, click on Shipping Discount. Make sure the type is set to percentage and the value is 100. Don't forget to update the label on the widget. Something like Plus Free Shipping works great. If you want to include free shipping in other tiers as well, simply add a new tier and repeat the same steps I just showed you. Once you're done, click Publish to make your offer go live. Let me show you how this works on your storefront. First, with the free shipping gift offer, I have the offer of spend $100 to receive a free shipping voucher here. I'll add to the cart to be qualified. Perfect. The free shipping is now automatically applied. Now let's see how it works when combined with other offers. And that's how you create or include free shipping in other offers on Shopify using the BOGOS app. Ready to try it yourself? Get started with BOGOS's free plan with your first 30 free orders by clicking the link below. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next episode.